irrational and real numbers. First, what is the rational numbers? Rational number, those numbers are said to be rational numbers which is represented in P by Q form. Rational and irrational numbers. Rational number and irrational number. Those numbers are called as rational numbers which is represented by P upon Q form. So those form are called as rational numbers. Means 3 by 8, this is a P by Q form. 2 upon 7, this is also P by Q form. 6 can be written as 6 by 1. So this is also rational numbers. So P by Q form, all the numbers which can be written in P by Q form. So these numbers are called as rational numbers. But our condition is that Q not equal to 0. Denominator Q cannot be 0. So those numbers are called as rational numbers. And irrational numbers. Okay. Root 2 is a irrational numbers because its decimal expansion is 1.414 and so on. It is cannot be repeated. 1.414, 21. So this number cannot be repeated. So this number is called as non-terminating, non-recurring. This is non-terminating because ये repeat नहीं हो रहा. Non-terminating, non-recurring. So those numbers are called as irrational numbers. Okay. क्योंकि ये इसका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन सॉल्व करने के बाद ये यहाँ पर रिपीट नहीं हो रहा, ये यहाँ पर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है, नॉन रिकर है, ये रिकर नहीं है नंबर. सो दिस नंबर इज कॉल्ड एज इररेशनल नंबर्स. ओके. root 2, root 3, all numbers are irrational numbers. Then, so how to represent the irrational numbers on number line? How to represent? Okay. Then properties of irrational numbers. Addition or subtraction of a rational number with irrational number is an irrational number. Multiplication or division of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is also an irrational number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two irrational numbers can be either rational or irrational number. Okay. Then practice set 2.2 show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Practice set 2.2 first problem. तो नाले नहीं करते हैं. Practice set 2.2 problem number 1. Show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Solution. Let us assume that 4 root 2 is an rational number. So if 4 root 2 is a rational number, so therefore 4 root 2 is an P by Q form. Then find the value of root 2 equal to P upon 4Q. Okay. But P by Q is a rational number. But P by Q form is a rational. If P by Q rational, then P by 4Q is also rational number. And if P by 4Q rational number, then from equation number 1, therefore root 2 is also rational number. It is our contradiction. But it contradicts the fact that root 2 is not rational number. But it contradicts the fact that root 2 is not rational number. Therefore If it is not rational number, so it is irrational. Therefore, root 2 is irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. So, root 2 is not rational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong and it is irrational number. If it is not rational, so it is irrational. Therefore, root 2 is irrational number. If root 2 is irrational number, therefore 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Rational number. This is our first problem. Second problem, you can try. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Same. Method is same. Okay, so 3 plus root 5 equal to p by q. Then root 5 equal to p by q minus 2. So you solve, you can try. Okay. Then question number 3. Represent the numbers root 5 and root 2 on a number line. Root 5 and root 10 are irrational numbers. So represent, how to represent root 5 on a number line? Problem number 3, represent root 5 on number line. Okay, this is the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then this is our right angle triangle. Let us assume that root 5 is a hypotenuse. Let us consider that OB is a hypotenuse, angle A 90 degrees. So its opposite side is hypotenuse. So consider that OB equal to root 5. Okay, then OA and OB, let us consider that OB equal to 1 centimeter. AB equal to 1 centimeter, and then find the value of OA. So by using Pythagoras theorem, this is rough work. Here this is rough work. By using Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay. OB is 5. So root 5 square equal to, find the value of OA square, and AB is 1. Let's solve this. Root 5 square is 5 equal to OA square plus 1. Then 5 minus 1 equal to OA square. 4 equal to OA square. Side change. Therefore, OA square equal to 4, and then find the value of OA. So taking square root on both sides, that is OA equal to 2. So take a distance OA equal to 2 centimeter on number line. So take a distance OA here, OA equal to 2 on number line. This is the O and this is A. So take a distance OA equal to 2. Okay. This is line L. First point. Draw a number line L. Okay. Then take OA equal to 2. Then draw perpendicular. Draw perpendicular from A. That is BA. Okay. So take a perpendicular BA, and therefore BA equal to 1 centimeter. So take BA equal to 1 centimeter. So here A, and take BA equal to 1 centimeter, and write here B, and BA equal to 1 centimeter, and OA equal to 2 centimeter. Here OA equal to 2 centimeter and OB equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Then joined OB. Next point is join OB. Okay. And then find the value of this OB. Here OA equal to 2 centimeter, AB equal to 1 centimeter. OA equal to 2 centimeter and AB equal to 1 centimeter. So AB is the perpendicular of O on OA. So here A equal to 90 degree. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, find the value of OB. In triangle OAB, angle A equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OAB, so therefore OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. OA is 2 centimeter, 2 square, and AB is 1 square. 2 square for 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Means OB square equal to 5. Then taking square root on both sides, and therefore OB equal to root 5. Here OB equal to root 5. Okay. Then Then take a distance OB in your divider. Okay, take a distance OB in your divider and put the arc and make the arc on this number line. So take a distance OB, in your divider, and here make the arc on this number line, and so this point is N, and so put here N, that is root 5. So distance ON is root 5. So represent the root 5 on number line. So here 2, after 2, then root 5, represent the root 5 on your number line. Okay. Therefore OB is equal to root 5 and OB equal to ON. OB is equal to root 5 and ON also root 5. Therefore OB equal to ON equal to root 5. Then this is our root 5 number on number line. Same problem, same problem, represent the number line, number root 10 on your number line. Same method. Okay, represent root 10 on number line. So take OB by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, rough work, that is take OB equal to root 10 and then by using Pythagoras theorem find the value of OA. Okay, and then make the arc and represent root 10 on number line.